I've been back in Toronto for about 2 weeks after spending over a month away, and it's taken me this long to feel like myself again. At first, everything fell off. The house was familiar, but my rhythm wasn't. So instead of forcing productivity, I let myself settle, fixed my sleep schedule, started organizing the house, ran errands, and somewhere in between, I realized these ordinary days are what build momentum, and my routine started finding me again. Let's spend the day together. Alexa, open front door camera.
Okay.
Oh. I really needed to eat before I speak to you guys, and yeah, I feel so much better. Welcome to another video. If it's your first time here, hello. My name is Nicole and I make lifestyle content with the homemaking lens. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please do subscribe. I'd love to have you here and grow this community together. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Your support means a whole lot to me, and I appreciate it more than you'll ever know. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, not right now, at the end when you're done watching. That helps the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. And yeah, I appreciate and thank you for helping. So the day just pretty much got started, just had breakfast, and I want to box these two parcels that just came in. I know exactly what they are. The camera is it's a gift. So my husband's workplace, every year for Christmas, they get to like pick from a select few items, whatever they want. And this year when I was looking at like the options, there was like this, and I was like, yeah, this is definitely what I want. They had like a lot of different items, speakers, but out of everything, this is like the one thing I was like, oh my gosh, I would really want this, but not want to buy it with my own money. So yeah, this is exciting. I've always wanted one of these for like when you travel, or you know, you have an event and you just want to take like candid in the moment pictures. And I finally have one. Why is it so hard to open? Okay, here we go. I wonder what color he ended up picking, because, oh, it's the blue one. Because they had different colors and he kept asking me what color should I get, and I was like, I don't know, just get anything. So he went with the blue. Ooh, here we go. Can't wait to test it out. I don't want to like test it right now because I don't want to waste the film. But yeah, I can't wait to go on vacation with this and take like cute pictures. Let's move on to the shoes. So, which way? Okay, wait. How do you open this box? Oh, it's this way. Yo, whew, why is it so hard? Looks like there are no shoes for me. So what did he say about mine?
He said that he's gonna send it.
Like, I was so excited thinking I have shoes. There are no shoes for me. I'm on my way to the bank. I have a little errand I need to run. I need to change my name on this particular bank account. I've changed my name on pretty much all of my things with the exception of this one bank account because they've been making it pretty much difficult for me to do it. They want me to walk into a physical branch. And I feel like that's so archaic because why can't I just upload my documents on a portal or, send you an email? Why do I have to walk into a physical branch? But anyway, I now need to use that specific account for a transaction. And that transaction requires me to update my name. So I have no choice. I am now going to get it done. You see me where I am, you won't forget about me. You hold my... I want to change the name on my account.
Okay, and what kind of documents do you have?
Marriage certificate.
There's perfect. That's what I need.
Okay, so...
Okay, Nicole, go ahead with your PIN for me.
Do I remember my PIN?
I've never seen a marriage license like Zimbabwe.
Yeah,
Nice.
Zimbabwe.
Okay. So this is your last name now, and we're changing it to...
Let me give you my driver's license thing. You can just copy it from there.
That's better.
Yeah.
Oh, you already changed it on there. Perfect.
Yeah. I've changed it on everything else. I was expecting maybe I can do it via email or submit it on a portal or something.
No,
So
because you have to bring in documentation.
does it take effect immediately?
Yeah.
Okay. Name change is done. I'm so happy. Now I can process my transaction. I want to go and do my eyebrows. At least I want to try. I'm not sure if they'll take me without an appointment, but I'm just going to walk in and see. Worst case scenario, they'll just tell me to wait. But yeah, I need to do my eyebrows. I haven't done my eyebrows in probably like 2 months because I last did my eyebrows before I left for Zim. So let's go do that. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's something going on with my face. Like I noticed it earlier this week, and for the past 2-3 days, I haven't put anything on my face. I've just been splashing it with water, and it was like getting better. Then this morning, I actually washed my face as normal with my regular cleanser, did my whole skincare routine because my skin was now fine. But it looks like it's like flaring up again. I don't know what it is. Like I'm trying to think if I've eaten something that's out of the norm, but I haven't. Like I've literally not done or eaten anything that's out of the norm. So I'm not sure what it is. I did use Gentle Magic for like 2 or 3 days. But that was it. I never used it again. So I'm wondering if that's the cause. But I used Gentle Magic like over a week ago. So I'm not sure what's going on. You say that my identity isn't you. I don't feel worth it 'cause I'm not, but you still stay. You love me so much that you sent your son to save. It's true. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am. I am back and I want to organize a few things. So first of all, these spices and things that are on the countertop, I brought these things from Zim and I just like put them here. I have not arranged them. This cabinet is, yeah, I have no words for this cabinet at this point. So yeah, I also just want to organize this, restock things that are finished. I need to do grocery shopping. I haven't been to the grocery store. Well, I did go like the other day to the farm store, but I haven't been to like the grocery store to do my groceries since I got back. And I've not done that because I don't have a good sense of what do we have, what do we not have. And I need to like just arrange and organize everything first and then like go through my stocks and see what I need to purchase. I want to start with the spices. I'm gonna both refill empty ones and then fill the new spices I brought that I don't currently have. So I have sweet basil, I have oriental pepper, I have coriander, and I think I had one for fish spice already. Where is it? Okay, I don't have, but yeah, I did bring fish spice, so I got another one. Do things just disappear from your houses too? Because I don't know, for some reason I can't find the funnel thing that we use to refill or like to put spices. It literally just disappeared. Like literally, I was using it one day and it was missing the next day. Oh, this is just for labeling. I think I should go find the labels before I start doing anything. I have no idea where those labels are, but I do have a feeling, so I'm gonna try. I think I will likely have put them in one of these drawers. Let's see if I can find the actual spices, so I have to write them manually. Let's look for sweet basil. S-T. No, S. This is not gonna be fish stock, it's just fish spice, but I know what it is. Coriander seed, sweet basil. What makes me who I am ain't cause the price. In your love you made me, forgave me and saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who. This is what we have so far. I kind of want to like arrange them by color, but something is making me want to sneeze. But I've decided to arrange them based on like use. So the stuff I use the most is in the middle, and then the stuff I use the least is up there, and then here. I'll use this to marinate whatever I end up making for dinner, along with whatever other spices I add. I just looked at the time and I don't think I'll be able to do this cabinet today. Somebody's coming over to my house, and based on the time they told me they will come, they're probably gonna be on their way soon. And I'm trying to think what I can offer them to eat. It's like a weird time to start making dinner. At the same time, it's after lunch. So I'm thinking I'll bake and then we can do scones and tea. So if I'm to do that, I can't start dealing with this cabinet now. It just like, this requires a lot of zen. I need to be in the right mind frame to deal with this cabinet. So yeah, let's bake and wait for her to come. Try the recipe my aunt taught me, but I don't have the proper ingredients, so I'm gonna try her method with my ingredients and let's see how that works out. Hopefully it works because I'm cooking for somebody else, guys. If it was just like my husband and I'm like, okay, it's fine, but I'm cooking for somebody else. Fingers crossed. Pray for me.
What makes me who I am ain't good at the price. In your love, you made me, forgave me.
Okay, guys, I was trying to do this thing I saw on, was it TikTok or Instagram, where the girl she puts the egg on the knife. Let's try again. And then she throws it. She puts the egg on the knife and then she throws it and then it comes and breaks. So first one was clearly a fail. Let's try it again. Okay, we'll try again next time. We'll go again next time. So I'm gonna do 2 eggs and then I'm gonna do 2 cups of milk.
What makes me who I am ain't good at the price. In your love, you made me, forgave me, and saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't good at the price. In your love, you made me, forgave me, and saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking. My identity.
I work with small business owners to help them build strong personal brands, and this was a session with one of my clients. A mistake I see often before people work with me is putting their energy into building a business page. So creating the Instagram, the TikTok, the logo, all of it. And there's nothing wrong with that. But when you're building something new, especially as a small business owner, the most important thing to remember is people buy into people. So instead of leading with just the business, I help my clients establish their personal brands first, find their voice, their story, their positioning, so that they can naturally attract the right audience and grow the business from there. I ended up making egusi for dinner, but I'm not too hungry, probably because I had scones like 2.5 hours ago. So I'm just gonna have a little bit because, yeah, I'm a lover of things and I'm a foodie. If you've been around for a little bit, you know by now that I love food. So yeah, let's have that.
Yes. This is interesting.